In this lesson, we will be covering the very powerful techniques of customized block creation. I am on the block layout page. Notice that there is an additional tab at the top called as custom block library. And when you open it, you can see here that there are two sub-level tabs, blocks and block types. This is exactly similar to content and content types. In fact, even all of the interface is going to be similar to content types, as we will very soon see. It will help you to use content types as an useful analogy to understand block types. Block types are a major new feature in Drupal 8. You can create fieldable block templates, that is block types, just like you create content types. Then you can derive blocks from the base block types, just like you create content from content types. Included in Drupal core is a very basic default block type called as basic block. It just has a title and a body, nothing else. This is again exactly similar to the basic page content type if we were to continue with the analogy. Now let's quickly create a new block type. Click on this add custom block type button and give this label as generic file download block type, and I will also give a description, download file handler block. Hit save and continue. After you get a success message, click on manage fields action button, and in the subsequent page notice that the tabs are exactly same as with content type management. You have manage fields, manage form display, manage display, exactly the same. Now I want to add a single additional field. So click on this add field button and select a field type as file, label it as file download, save and continue. No changes on the next screen. Hit the save button and return. Now in this following screen, there are several options related to file control. The only thing that we will change is in this allowed file extensions. Just add PDF format also here and save settings. Now actually we are done with the new block type creation. You can go ahead and experiment with the input and output options. They behave similar to content types with some slight variations. So you can see here that our new block type has been created. Now we will create our first new custom block, which will be derived from the new block type that we just created. Here you got the add custom block button, click it, and we will choose the type that we just now created. Select a generic file download block type, and this page is for creating our new block. We want to create a new block that announces a new event that our company is hosting on our website. I am going to paste in the description and the body fields, which I have got ready. Notice here carefully that we now have a new field called as file download, which we just created with the block type. I'm going to use that. I will choose the PDF file which I had ready for this, and you will also have this in your download resources. And when you're all done, click on the save button. Fantastic, we are done with our first custom block creation. Now the power of block types is that they are like templates, and we can create any number of blocks with the same design. So I will create another block in exactly the same fashion. Add custom block once again, choose our block type, and we will create one more block. I will paste in the details once again. Now this is a block that will invite visitors to submit articles for our event. And the guidelines to do this will be a downloadable file which I have included. Save and return back. Now we have our two new custom blocks created. Now let's head back to the block layout page, and it is now time to put these two new custom blocks on the front page. And this time around, I will place them one by one in the first sidebar region. Choose the first one. I'll retain the title, save block. Once more for my second block. Don't forget to save blocks on this page. Finally, when I get this success message, I am now ready to see how this will look. So I'm going to open the application in a different browser. I'm going to refresh it, and our blocks should now appear on a new sidebar which will be created on this side. We were not using it so far, and this is where it should appear. And fantastic, we can see our new custom blocks have appeared. They have both been derived from the same custom block type that we created, and they have downloadable file links. You can see the block type is the same, but the content is different. The design is the same. Okay. So in this lesson, we saw the powerful new block type feature of Drupal 8. We used it to create two new custom blocks. Being fieldable, which means being able to add new fields to the block design, makes these blocks incredibly powerful. You can create just about anything with them in a reusable plug and play design. In the next lesson, we will take all of our blocks that we created in this section to a level higher. We will explore visibility control. So see you in the next lesson.